Hello, my name is Charlie Redding and I'm the founder of Efficient Portfolio and also the author of The Dream Retirement. Now maybe you're thinking, what's my financial future look like? Am I on track to run out of money in my 80s when I'm no longer able to return to work? Or could it be the reverse of that? Are you on track to become the richest person in the graveyard, but having not fulfilled the life that you wanted? And perhaps you're worried about the fact that you've got pensions, you've got investments and savings. But is that money really working as hard for you as it possibly could be? Or are you being ripped off by life insurance companies? Maybe you've got the money side of retirement sorted. Maybe you're thinking, what am I going to do with my time? How am I going to fill my time to make sure I don't end up having a boring, broke and brief existence? Imagine a time where you did know with complete certainty that you'd got all the money to be financially secure for the rest of your life. A time where you knew that your money was working as hard for you as it possibly could be. But also a time where you're living out the dream retirement, ticking off the bucket list as you go. If these are what's worrying you at the moment, and these are the opportunities that you want to seize at the moment, then you need to come to the Wealth Workshop. Just click the link below, and we look forward to welcoming you to the event.